Hi guys, my name is Bonita, and I am a digital marketing consultant. Today I am going to talk to you about how to get 100,000 followers on a new TikTok account. First, you need to decide on a niche. What are you gonna post about? Pick something you're interested in. That way you're more likely to stick with it. Next, create a content plan. What type of videos are you gonna make? Are you gonna do tutorials? Are you gonna do product reviews? Having a plan will help you stay consistent, and that's the key to growing on TikTok. Post at least 3 times a day and use a scheduling tool so that you can plan your posts in advance. This will help you stay consistent, and it'll also help you grow your following. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, send messages, host live Q&A sessions. The more you engage with your audience, the more they'll engage back and the more you'll grow. Use relevant hashtags. This will help people find your videos more easily, and it will help you grow your following. And finally, promote your TikTok on other social media platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience, and it will help you grow your following even faster. And if you want to take your growth to the next level, then check out my marketing program. Go on my bio, click on my website, put your email address, and I will send you a free video that explains everything in details. It is free and there is no obligation to buy anything. So take action now.